We are Team Tripit, and this is our presentation for Sprint 1. Our team is Samraj, Kalkat, Manny, and Fausto, Leyva, and we are all juniors in ECE. So we wanted to create a platform where users could create travel plans very easily and get ideas from other people. So Tripit provides tools to help users better organize their travel plans into itineraries that have all of the user's trip details in one place. Users can share their favorite itineraries and explore others or create singular events which make up itineraries.
So our planned goals for this sprint were to create the Django project and app, create a models page, a base.html page, our home page where we can log in, register, and log out, an itinerary page where you can create events, and a profile page where we can edit, delete, and add itineraries, edit, delete, and add events to itineraries. So we can see here what we actually completed based on our progress for Sprint 1. Um, we were able to complete most of it, however, there are some holes that we have to add to in the future um, in terms of adding and creating events. So here's a live demonstration of our website so far. So this is our main homepage um, where we're able to log in to register. Our register page has a Django authorization, um, and if we are able to log in, so I have an account set up already. So after we log in, we're welcomed with our username, and we can explore the rest of the website. We're able to plan a trip, so we can either browse existing itineraries that hold events. So we can select from our server which itineraries we like, and if we like one, we can copy it, and those events are copied. We can also select specific events, and we can also add events if we like, and create our own event. After we've added everything we like, we can finalize, and everything is packaged into one and added to our trip. So on our profile page, we can see trips we've saved or trips we've planned from the plan page. Um, we can also click into each one to see more detail about it and the rating, the image, and the description of that trip. And our browse page, where we will be able to browse other people's itineraries and see what everybody else is doing on the website. This page is empty now because it's dependent on data that we'll get in the future from inputting more trips.
So just to go into a little bit about the progress and the problems we've encountered in Sprint 1. So there was a hurdle we had to overcome with using more of Bootstrap. For example, having the modals show up. And there are also other problems we've encountered, such as the model that we formed for the itineraries. For example, a specific user will have a relationship with itineraries based on whether the user planned it or saved it from a different user, and also if that itinerary has been completed for a certain trip or not. And so we needed to restructure the models.py file. And so there were also other issues with validating forms other than the registration, which we were struggling with, and we plan to fix for Sprint 2. We also ran into the obvious merge conflicts and just overall collaboration issues. And so right now our progress is mostly having the UI complete, implementing the registration with proper validation, having users able to log in and log out of user sessions, and also implemented authorization and permissions. So our goals for the next sprint are to fully incorporate the holes that we were missing from sprint 1, which include creating events and itineraries for users and also saving other people's itineraries. And so additionally, for our next sprint, we want to start and complete the browse page in order to include filtering options and allow the users to browse a variety of pre-made itineraries